What is happening, everybody? How are we doing today? Steve Mingleco here. Going to be going over the Google Keyword Planner, just keyword planning in general. If you're not familiar with keyword planning, it's a great way to find words in a specific market or niche that are then going to be used in search marketing and SEO. So basically what you'll see here is that as we go into our Google Ads campaign, up here under planning, you'll see keyword planning. So just select keyword planning and it's going to prompt up another window that is basically going to give you two different options here. One is to, up here in this corner, is to upper left, is to discover new keywords. So say you have a keyword and you want to find keywords that are relevant to it. This is the area that you're going to go to, and then here you have for different volumes and how much a keyword is searched every month throughout the year and things like that. Why don't we just take a look over here at Discover New Keywords, and it's basically going to prompt two different options. One is to start with a keyword, or one is to start with a website. So we could say, as you see here, these examples like meal delivery, leather boots. I always do like web design, because that's our service. So we could do things like that, but then you can also go here with the website, and if you actually put in your website, it will pull the data from your website, the different content, the different image tags and things like that, and find out which keywords are most relevant given that your website. So I've actually pulled that up here in another tab. So it's searched here, our website, Final Web Design, and as you can see here, it's showing us different keywords that could be relevant to our local market. So here in Miami, we could get web design in Miami, website design in Miami. I mean, very similar, but still, these are all different keywords that people use to search for my businesses, our businesses, services. And what I would say is that whatever your business is, it's going to be completely different keywords, and that's why you need to go in here and take a look. And so we have web design firm, website design and development, web design company. So a lot of this is all around the keyword web design. However, there's a lot of different ways to phrase that. So this keyword planning tool is kicking back a lot of information. We can go in here, we can add a lot of these, and actually in our AdWords account, it's going to show us that we actually have this keyword in our account. So web design in Miami is one of our big keywords, and we actually have that in our account right now. You can see some of the average monthly trends and how much competition and such there is. Now, everything's a little bit skewy with the situation out right now, so things have kind of altered given the time of year. You know, sometimes holidays can affect markets, sometimes things like Christmas could be big boost in inventory, e-commerce type sales, things like that. So you need to really kind of see how things fluctuate throughout a year, and you can find that information here. And then different prices as far as how much that's going to cost for your business. And then the second way to kind of look at Google keywords is to do a keyword search. So in this case, I've done web design Miami, and you can see it's kicked back a lot of different keywords that are relevant to that, which could be custom web design Miami, Miami SEO. We also do a lot of SEO, so it knows again that that's a similar service. And we can also look through here at different ones. So digital agency Miami is another popular keyword. Creative Miami, now we probably wouldn't use that, but again, we don't need to use all these keywords. It's just Google suggesting, and actually a lot of them are very, very good. Using Google usually knows what people are searching for. So guys, that's just kind of a quick breakdown of how the Google Keyword Planner works. Definitely use it if you're working with Google Ads. If you need help with it, we can always help you. We'll help you get your whole Google Ad campaign set up. Leave a like, leave a subscribe, that stuff helps, and we'll catch you in the next video, and you guys take care. Peace.